Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into an area of industrial engineering that is absolutely crucial for modern manufacturing, but let's be honest, it often gets totally overlooked. We're talking about industrial contamination control. We are going to explore Clandle's modular filtration catalog and discover exactly how these pieces all fit together to create perfectly optimized solutions for your plant. Let's dive right in.
All right, here's our roadmap for today. We're going to hit 1. High-flow pleated cartridges. 2. Advanced depth filtration. 3. Industrial filter bags. 4. A visual selection guide to help you choose. And finally 5. Customization and quality.
So let's kick things off with Module 1, high-flow pleated cartridges. Now, if you're looking for a serious upgrade, the KDS series is exactly what we mean by high flow. It's designed as a high-efficiency, direct upgrade to your standard bag filters. Because it uses a pleated design, you're getting more than 10 times the filtration area. And you absolutely have to notice the U-cup seal technology they've integrated here. That seal is a total game changer because it completely eliminates bypass leakage. That means every single drop of fluid is forced right through the media, which severely reduces how often you have to change these things out, ultimately lowering your total maintenance costs. Okay, let's get into the weeds a bit with the micro-level technology driving their premium lines, like the KPTFE hydrophilic series. They use something called plasma-induced functionalization. I know, it sounds like sci-fi, but what this material science actually does is alter the surface so it doesn't need to be pre-wetted at all. You literally just deploy it immediately. It acts almost like a non-stick pan for biomolecules, which cuts down on absorption and guarantees a super consistent flow, even after you've run it through multiple sterilization cycles. Picture this inside-out flow process with me for a second. Step 1, your untreated fluid enters right into the core of the cartridge. Step 2, as that fluid pushes outward through the pleats, all the contaminants get trapped strictly inside that core. And Step 3, the clean fluid flows out into the housing. It's brilliant because when it's time for maintenance, you just pull the cartridge and all the trapped dirt comes right out with it. No mess left behind in the housing. Stop and think about this number for a second. 99.9999%. That is the guaranteed aerosol retention efficiency for the KPTFE series. The crazy part? The filter maintains that near-perfect retention rate even after surviving 500 continuous steam sterilization cycles. Just imagine surviving 500 rounds inside what is essentially a boiling, high-pressure industrial oven. I mean, that is the literal definition of durability. So you might be wondering, is this actually the right module for my plant? Well, mapping these high-flow pleated solutions out, they are absolutely perfect for process water, like pre-RO and cooling systems, as well as really demanding environments like seawater desalination, oil and chemical refining, food and beverage, and general heavy machinery. Basically, if you need high purity combined with high throughput, this is your go-to. Moving right along to Module 2, Advanced Depth Filtration Tech. It's super interesting to compare two fundamentally different ways to tackle depth filtration. On one hand, you have the string-wound cartridge, which relies on a really precise, layered textile winding. On the other hand, you've got the melt-blown cartridge. That one uses pure, thermobonded microfibers that are completely randomly oriented. They both achieve incredible depth filtration, but they get there through entirely different manufacturing philosophies. Let's peel back the layers on that melt-blown series a bit more. The manufacturing process basically creates a 3D microporous matrix by thermally fusing polypropylene microfibers together. The coolest part is that this creates these complex, tortuous pore channels. Think of it as a microscopic 3D maze ranging from 30 to 80 microns. And it does the whole thing without any chemical adhesives whatsoever. Since it's a pure thermobonded construction, there is literally zero risk of chemical leaching into your filtered fluids. So, how exactly does this gradient depth filtration outperform standard surface filters? Well, think of it as a progressive trap. In Step 1, the relatively loose outer layer grabs all the larger, coarse particles. Then in Step 2, as the fluid pushes deeper, the tighter inner layers capture all those fine, microscopic contaminants. By stratifying the capture process throughout the entire depth of the filter, you get the big payoff in Step 3, a dirt holding capacity that's a full 3 times greater than standard surface filters. Let's put some hard numbers to that density stratified capture. The melt-blown series boasts an exceptional dirt-holding capacity of more than 500 grams per square meter at 20 microns. To put that into perspective, for a lightweight filter, that's kind of like a normal kitchen sponge holding a bowling ball's worth of solid waste. Plus, its mechanical robustness is just fantastic. It has a compressive strength of over 15 bar and an axial load resistance of 250 newtons.
It's built to hold a massive amount of junk without physically collapsing. So, who actually needs this kind of progressive dirt trapping? If you're a facility manager dealing with high particulate fluids, depth filtration is 100% your solution. We're talking commercial and public pools where water clarity is non-negotiable, heavy industrial paints and coatings, pharmaceutical prefiltration, high-temperature fluids, and even really specific stuff like photographic processing and pleating solutions. All right, on to Module 3, industrial filter bags, the real macro filtration workhorses. When you need to process huge volumes of fluid quickly and economically, the KFB filter bag is pretty much unmatched. They come in various sizes that all follow international standards, which means they are fully compatible with the mainstream filter housings you probably already have bolted to your floor right now. It's your lightweight, highly reliable choice for really broad filtration needs. Why would a plant engineer choose a bag filter over a cartridge? A few key reasons. First, you get incredibly broad chemical and corrosion resistance. Second, they cover a massive precision range. We're talking from 0.5 all the way up to 100 microns. Third, their open design naturally allows for a super high flow rate combined with a very low pressure drop. And finally, versatility. You can get the media in polypropylene, PET needle felt, or nylon mesh, entirely depending on whether you need nominal precision or standard particle removal. Because they're so cost-effective and handle such high flow, bag filters are just everywhere across major industries. They are heavily utilized in bulk chemical processing, paints and coatings, food and beverage manufacturing, general machinery coolants, and massive water treatment facilities. If you're tackling bulk contaminant removal, this is usually your first line of defense. Let's pull all this together. Module 4, our visual filter selection guide.
This comparison is basically your cheat sheet. Let's say your ideal scenario is getting high purity results while slashing your maintenance time. High-flow pleated filters with their massive surface area are for sure your best bet. Now, if you're dealing with high particulate fluids that just instantly clog up surface filters, you absolutely need the progressive trapping of depth cartridges. And if you just need cost-effective bulk filtration with a great flow rate, those classic filter bags are your reliable choice. It's all about matching that core advantage directly to what's happening on your plant floor.
And finally, Module 5, customization and quality assurance. The bedrock of every single product we've talked about today is some very serious quality control. Glentown's filter media strictly complies with FDA and CE requirements, meaning they are completely safe for food and beverage contact. And get this, these cartridges aren't just slapped together in some dusty warehouse. They're manufactured in a highly controlled Class 100,000 cleanroom environment, all operating under an ISO 9001 certified quality management system. But catching dirt is only half the battle, right? It has to actually survive your plant floor. Across the K-Series, these units are rated for 80 degrees Celsius. That's a toasty 176 degrees Fahrenheit. When you pair that with a max pressure differential of 2.4 bar, you end up with components that basically just shrug off intense, high-stress processing environments. Now, what if the standard catalog just doesn't quite fit your unique setup? This is where Clandide really flexes. They had the engineering chops to customize physical dimensions and chemical seals to your exact specs. Need to modify core outside diameters? Done. Need specific M caps, like 222, 226, or dual silicone gaskets? No problem. You can extend filtration lengths up to 60 inches and even choose specialized seal materials like EPDM or Viton FKM to perfectly match whatever fluid chemistry you're running. We've seen how this modular design scales from the extreme micro-precision of plasma-functionalized pleated filters all the way up to high-volume industrial bags. So I want to leave you with this question to chew on for your own operations. With modular designs, verified cleanroom compliance, and total bespoke customization right at your fingertips, which Clanton filtration solution is going to optimize your plant today? Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.